Ever planned a vacation? Sure. How about organizing a big event or even renovating your home? All these are projects. Managing projects can be tough. I'm currently overseeing a project myself, and it's being quite the challenge. It's not just about juggling tasks, it's about adapting to changing stakeholder requirements. Complexity is exactly why we need target support, like the right set of vitamins to keep us sharp, focused, and effective. Imagine if we could supplement our project management skills just as easily as we can our health is dedicated to providing you. Whether you're a seasoned pro, almost perfect in each discipline, or you're just starting out, with the essential vitamins to manage and lead projects successfully. We provide vitamins that strengthen your capabilities, nourish your skill set with insightful tips, and introduce innovative methods and tools. Project Vitamins emphasize a comprehensive approach to professional growth. By tuning into our channel, we will gain the nutrition needed to boost your motivation, enhance your discipline, and foster a positive mindset. Yes, we are all project managers in our own ways. I truly believe that with the right tools and insights, everyone can excel at managing projects. This is your chance to sharpen those skills and conquer the complexity of project and program management. Enhancing your project management skills is not just a move for personal growth, it's a strategic step that helps you to develop your career in a new way, in a quicker way. If you found our discussion of the everyday project management in our lives intriguing, you won't want to miss our next video.